In this tutorial, we will see that how you can fix this Wuthering Waves running but not opening on Epic Games, so let's fix it. So, if it's showing here running, what you can do is, so first of all, you have to restart your PC, or you can right click on this task manager and open it. Here you will find this Epic Games. Right click and simply end task from here. After ending this task, you have to find here Wuthering Wave launcher. You have to do same with that. Right click and end task. After doing that, it will start showing you this launch like this. Now from here, click on these three dots. It will open up these sum of options where you need to open this manage. And here you'll find this installation, and here it will show you this folder. Simply click on that. It will open up this install location. It will take you to this window where it will show you this Wuthering Waves folder. You have to scroll it down until you find this launcher. Simply right click on that and run as administrator. After doing that, right click on that again and simply open up its properties. Then you will be on this general. You have to open this compatibility, and from the bottom side you have to select this run this program as an administrator. Select it, click apply and then OK. After doing that, you can simply drag this launcher into your desktop like that. It will create a shortcut to open this Wuthering Waves like so. So that's how you can fix Wuthering Waves running not opening in just few easy steps on Epic Games.